Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We about to jump right into this tutorial. As you can see, we're going to start off and we're going to prime our eyelids with this Makeup Revolution concealer. I think it's in the shade 10.5. We're going to blend it out with a synthetic concealer brush that I got from Sephora. And I like to draw my concealer. I like to pull it all the way out past my eyebrow. And I like to bring it up like midway to my eyebrow, just above where I will put my transition shade. And then I go in with another brush and I blend it out. And then I apply some translucent powder onto that brush. And I just keep blending. And I think we're good. We're going to go on with our first transition shade. I think this is a Makeup Geek shade and it's called Cocoa Beer. I'm so bad with names, y'all. But this is like that orangey brown shade. And we're just going to blend that out. We're going for something warm, light, wearable, not something too dramatic with this look right here. So we're just going to keep blending that shade out until we get what we want. This is our first transition shade. Then we go on with the clean brush and we just blend out our edges. I'm going in with a small Luxie brush and I'm going to apply like a chocolate brown shade to my crease. And I'm going to like pat it in and draw out my crease for this step right here instead of just going and blending. So I just keep going into the color, packing it, and then you'll see me blend it out. But I'm just drawing out my crease and I just want it to be light. Not nothing too bold, not nothing too dramatic. So we're going in with that clean brush again and we're going to blend everything together. And we're going back to that transition shade and we're just going to blend that out too. So then we're just going to deepen out that outer V. And it's like a back and forthness. You apply, you blend, you look, you see what you need to do. So we're going in and we're going to cut our crease with that Makeup Revolution concealer again. And we're going in with that same concealer brush from Sephora. And I like to draw out my cut crease. So I draw it out first, taking my time. And then I'll go in and I'll fill in the middle. I mean, it's just patience, and it's technique, it's patience, and I think it's repetitious too. So the more you do it, the better you'll get. So I'm just going in and I'm just trying to fix it up a little bit. And this really worked out good for me doing it this way. We're going in and we're applying a little bit of translucent setting powder and also blending out that concealer too. So everything is smooth and we got a good base to apply our eyeshadow. So we're going in with one of my new brushes. I ordered some brushes and a couple eyeshadows from Makeup Geek. And we're going in with this new this foil eyeshadow brush. And we're going to apply one of their eyeshadows right here. It's this pretty like teal olive greeny shade. And oh my God, it's so pretty. And I'm just going in and I'm applying it. Makeup Geek shades are so affordable and their pigmentation is fucking amazing. Like, I put these shades up against my Juvia's Place shades. And if you know anything about Juvia's Place, you know their shades are so pigmented. Like, I love these shades and they're so inexpensive. Like, they're right up there next to my Anastasia shades. You really got to get you some Makeup Geek shades if you don't know about it or if you're first starting off. And this brush was pretty bomb. I can see me getting another one of these brushes and ordering it. So that's it for that right there. So we're just trying to make sure we got the color as close as possible to our cut crease. And then we're going over our cut crease and we're just blending a little bit real lightly. Just blending lightly. We're going to do a wing eyeliner. And I've been doing my wing by starting in from my inner corner of my eyelid and then drawing it out and making the wing. And I found that that's better for me than making the wing first. You gotta like play with it and figure out what works for you. So now that I feel like it's better and my wing eyeliner is getting a little bit better, I'm going to try for like a thicker liner. Because when I'm doing it, I just get so excited that, you know, I didn't fuck it up. That I'm like, okay, this is good. And then when I look at it, I'm like, oh, I could have went a little thicker. But, you know, it's trial and error. We're learning. We're getting into this. That's my Sephora liquid eyeliner. Liquid liner. And it works perfectly fine. And I like it. We get in there. Look at that. We doing wings and shit. That's what I'm talking about. Yes. So now we're going to apply our foundation and our primer. And we're going for MAC Studio Fix Fluid NC50. Going to apply some to the back of our hand. We're using one of our favorite foundation brushes, and it's going to be the NYX angled foundation brush. I love this fucking brush so much. I apply my foundation in sections and I just press it into the skin. I take my time. I make sure I blend everything out really good section by section, and I apply, and I do this over and over. And I found that this is a good method for me. So now we're going to go in and we're going to conceal now that we have our foundation on. And we're going to conceal under our eyes, our chin, our forehead a little bit, and our nose. And we're going to blend everything out. Now we're blending this concealer out with Sephora concealer brush. Is really angled, and I really love this brush. It really gets right in there, and it blends, and it's dense, and it blends out everything well. I don't know where I've been. I think I got this brush from Nitra B. I think she uses it, if I'm not mistaken. So we're just going to blend all that concealer out. And then we're going to go in and we're going to set all the places that we conceal with some translucent setting powder. And now that we're all highlighted and contoured and bronzy, we're applying some highlighter to the highest points of our cheeks. And I feel like my foundation is looking a little off. You know what? I'm thinking maybe I had my Becca primer a little bit too long, because I've been trying it with different foundations, and I think it's time to get rid of it or something. Or maybe it just don't work with matte foundations, because I don't really like that matte look. I like the semi matte look. You know, I don't want to look dried out. But I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm going to try it one more time and see how it looks. So we're just applying all the shades that we applied to our eyes, to our lower lash line. We're going to apply these lashes. That's my favorite lash glue that I got from Amazon, y'all. Yes. So now that our lashes are on, we're going to apply some inner corner highlight. We're just going for a gold shade. And we're going to get that popping. We're all glowy and bronzy. So now we're going to apply some brown lip liner. This is an NYX lip liner to our lips. I'm just going to outline our lips. And we're going to go for this Kat Von D studded lipstick in Cathedral. I love this formula of lipsticks. I have a couple and I forget about them because I have so many lipsticks. But these studded lipsticks are so freaking bomb. They're like semi-matte. The pigmentation is good. This is the end result, guys. I like how this came out. I hope you guys like it too. I like it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Have a happy holidays, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next video.